Hey guys, today I just want to make a quick vlog with my dog, see what he can do and see his abilities. There you go, there's the thumbs up. Yeah, I had nothing to do, so I just want to make a quick vlog with him and then bang, done. Quick video, guys. So I'm just going to turn my lights on real quick and yeah, it should be alright, this video. Here he is right now. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your... Good boy. Yeah? Good boy. Wait, guys. Why don't we just put you somewhere else? So I think that's better. One sec. One sec. Let me just... One sec. So yes, I have Bailey here with me. We should do. He likes searching my room. And he just goes lay down over there, as you can see, just right down there. So I just want to have a little bit of fun with my dog. Don't know what we could do. Maybe, I don't know why I did that. Maybe have a look at his tricks, because he learned to lay down like that. So yeah. Oh, this is like when a sheriff just walks into that pub and he's like, oh no. But no, he's like, yeah. Let me have some of that whiskey, boy. So guys, we got him some treats. Bailey. Let's see if we can get him to come over here. Don't know. Come here then. Right, you ready? Right. You guys can't see this, but wait. Stay there. Stay there. You stay there. So it's more focused on Bailey over here. Bailey right there, which is more bothered about these treats than anything. So can you lay down? Lay down. So whenever I'm filming you guys, he never does this. Lay down. Come on, lay down. Good boy. Good boy. But guys, let me give you some advice right here. There's one thing that dogs love more than treats is you shouting and loving them, saying, good boy, you, good boy. They will get so much more appreciation in that. No, don't you dare think about taking, no, I've still got this. Sit down. Good boy, good boy. Now, give me a paw. Good boy, see that, guys? See that? He is 5 now. And he's, it's okay, isn't it? It's okay. Isn't it? Isn't it? Oi! Yeah, I can see him going for that, guys. I can see you going for this. Let's see if we can get him like, so it's like that, in the air, trying to go like that to him. That's a bit disgusting. Just bounce that on that guitar. Right. Go on. Right, come on then. Come on then. Good boy. Good boy. We did it. We made him jump. Oh my God. God. He nipped me a little bit though. He's like, thug laugh. Don't you dare. Don't you dare, no. Look at him, he just wants that. Guys, you face the vlog, look. There's a vlog. Guys, watch this. You stay there. No. It's like you ain't got better head on my nose. It was on his head, but yeah, I'll just give him this, like. Oh, let's see if he'll eat it. Oh, no. That's just rank putting a treat on your head. Let's see if he'll eat it straight off my feet, which he will. Sir, your plate is ready to be served. Play straight off, not making a crumb. Not making a crumb. He may as well just become a vampire. So, Bailey, gonna put your face in there, boy. Huh? So, Bailey, now I've fed you all those treats, don't you think it's fair to give me a nice big cuddle? Yes, it is. Come here. Oh, yes, it is. It's like I just want to get it. Oh. You're heavy, boy. You're heavy. Guys, dogs, they do whatever they want, especially that. Hello? Is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. Right, guys, I'm just going to end the video here. Leave a like if you like this video. Please subscribe. And I'll see you all later. Peace out.